beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. I've got some Phantom 4 batteries that need to be cycled to keep them fresh. So let's go do some flying. So we're here at the Lorain lighthouse in Lorain, Ohio. I've flown here several times before. It's a big pier, so there's a couple things to be conscious of since we're flying off this pier here. There is a lot of metal on these piers, which can cause compass issues. So we're gonna make sure that our compass values are looking good in the DJI Go app before we do take off. The other thing is, since we're flying over water, is our VPS sensors should also be turned off. The manual says, I believe, anything below 6 feet when you're over water, the VPS, which is the downward facing sensors, should be turned off because the light reflecting off the water can cause issues with those VPS sensors. I typically just do it anytime I'm flying over water just to be safe. Let's see what we can get, and let's get set up.